though, because he like got jump scared.
All right, so going into today, I'm recording this, so this is going on YouTube. So don't say anything outrageous, so I have to edit that out. So going into today, previously before we went in today, we came into this weekly for value gap actually, and then right here. Holy shit, where are my tools at? So coming into today, we had this weekly imbalance right here where we came into, right? Price reacted off of consequent encroachment of that weekly, so we could expect higher prices. Also on the weekly time frame, if you look at quarterly theory, I know a bunch of y'all hate on quarterly theory. This right here is that X continuation from last week. We had the accumulation, right? XAM manipulation was it last week. So now we're looking at distribution for this week is what I'm seeing. But also on the here, I'm looking at distribution for this week. But bro, I saw one of my comments today hating on me for talking about quarterly theory. He's like, bro, keep it simple. I'm like, okay, dude, relax.
On God, keep it simple now, playing.
Nah, but okay. The reason why we could expect a uh, some bearish actions because of this big daily inverse or daily imbalance right here, where price is probably gonna reach into. This is my draw though. This is my draw. So coming into today, we tapped into that weekly right last week. So I expected a bullish day today. I didn't expect a crazy expansion because it is Monday with no news, but we did have an expansion day on the 1 hour. Yeah, so overnight. Oops.
Oh, sorry.
Hunter go on stage? Nah, not right now. I don't feel like going on stage. Um, Overnight we actually like came up bullish. Yeah. Let me go on to. Holy fuck. Let me go on the 15-minute. Just in case someone joins and fucks you up. It's alright. I'll just edit it out. Overnight, from London to New York Open, we actually expanded bullish. So literally in the AM session, bro, I was like about to like, not about to, but like I wanted to like see like initial bearish action for us to continue higher. So I was going to enter short like right around here, but I literally just didn't have time to like. Bro, is my time right? Yeah, no. Here, let me look at this better. And then 1 minute. Yeah, so market open. This was market open right here. So as you can see, overnight we expanded bullish quite heavy in the London session. So I wanted to see a lower resistance liquidity run overnight or in the New York Open. We had a little drop off right here from this turtle soup SMT with this low right here, and this was my initial line. I literally entered right here. I obviously didn't trade live today because I didn't want you guys trading today, so I was just kind of like gambling my account. But I entered long like right here, and I targeted this. I was targeting higher prices. I think I was like targeting like this, bro. That was my draw. This is the first trade. I took profit right there, and then I partialed. Yeah. I took profit right here, partialed out, and then I got stopped at break even right here. That was my first trade. And then my second trade of the day was on the hourly. We actually retraced. Let me just clean this up for you guys. It's kind of messy. Right here, we retraced to this 1 hour. That was in discount. So after I saw that, wasn't expecting lower prices. There's no more sell side targets. Right here, we reacted off of that pretty well from these inverses. So I went long like right somewhere like right here, like some shit like this. I don't really remember my exact position, something like that. I was targeting these highs, and that was my trade. It was like crazy. It was like, yes, it was like 500, 600 ticks, bro. I made like 10 G's off that trade. And then on the daily, after that, we pretty much just like chopped it around and then closed back in. So we had an open low high close today. Honestly, pretty big moves for a Monday. Pretty big moves for a Monday, can't lie. Ideally, I want to see a reaction off of. Yeah, okay. So on the 15-minute. How much you? I only use 4 contracts. I mean, that's like equivalent to like 1.5 contracts on a 50K. I would say, because 3 contracts is like using 1 contract on a 50K. So I didn't really I guess I did over leverage. I just over leveraged a little bit, not a crazy amount. We have this 15-minute inverse right here. We could see price react up. Honestly, I want to hold. I want to see this low. The reason I don't fuck with this completely is just because like Monday expanded too much for me. I wanted to see today more of today and Tuesday to accumulate. I have 600 left to pass a 250K and a 50 MFU. That's really close. Tomorrow I think we can do $1,000 easy. This low is gonna hold as a protected swing low until we take this high. Here. Until we take this high, this low is a protected swing low, right? And then this low right here was our protected swing low until we took these highs. Does that make sense? Market.
Why?
Who said why?
Why?
Because this is a market maker model, right? So on this like overall time frame, this is the market maker model. So we want to see this high get taken before we come for this low. If we do come for this low, and then going down to the lower time frame, we have like this intraday high right here, this internal high, where price came lower, saw skipping these lows. So ideally, you want to see this low hold as a swing low until we take out this high. So that's what happened. It's held as a swing low, and then we take out these highs, and now we're retracing. So now we just gotta wait for tomorrow to take some longs. But I think honestly, tomorrow will be the accumulation, because what we have now is a I think tomorrow might accumulate really. I think today was like, honestly, I think today's price action will be better than tomorrow's. I think tomorrow will be pretty bad, I can't lie, but I'm still gonna trade it. Cause
No news.
X, yeah, also today, so typically how a week starts would be a week starts typically like AMD X or a X AMD. This is typically how the week starts. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday has its own. Friday has its own sequence. So this week opened up as a X right here. So we're probably gonna get an AMD now. And then the next day, which is honestly lining up with the weekly it's lining up with the economic calendar. So it's honestly fitting right. So we might get an XAMD.